Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones that I want you to focus on are your eagle eyes, which is when you look at pictures in the book to help you with the words, and your stretchy snake, which is when you look at the letters in a word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Magician. Magician. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's try it one more time all together. Magician. Magician. Fantastic. Well done. The book that we are going to be looking at this week is called Rabbits, Hats and Secrets. So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Rabbits, Hats and Secrets. Amazing illusions. Do you ever dream of being able to perform illusions? As a young boy, this was my dream. I'm Dane Certificate and I'm an illusionist. One day I saw an amazing illusion being performed. The illusion made sponge balls disappear into someone's hand. I decided I wanted to learn tricks like that. Today I perform all kinds of tricks in my mysterious show. Kids love coming to see me perform. Sometimes they get to be in the show too. Quick hands. One of the first tricks Dane learned was how to use his fingers very quickly to secretly hide and reveal things. A secret costume. For my shows, I wear my special costume. My costume looks simple, but it has lots of hidden secrets. It has a bow tie. It can spin around unexpectedly. Inside pockets, perfect for hiding things quickly. A bird perch when my dove waits until I need him for a trick. A top hat for my rabbit in a hat trick. Sleeves, great for hiding things. Outside pockets, easy to reach to pull things out. A belt with hooks and at the back for secret items. Props. Many of my tricks include props. On stage there is a red and black table with an old-fashioned suitcase on top. Inside the case there are many different props. Handkerchiefs, I use these to hide and reveal things. Wand, coins, linked rings, I slowly move these rings past each other and suddenly they are linked. Sponge balls, trick flowers and cards. I use cards for mind-reading tricks. Animal stars. Some animals appear in my tricks. They have special training to make sure that they stay safe. Jack the Rabbit is a star of my rabbit in a hat trick. Here's what happens. 1. I show the audience the empty top hat. 2. I wave my wand over the hat. 3. Suddenly, Jack pops out the hat. I also have a white dove called Ice Cream. In one of my tricks, I make him appear suddenly in my hands. Ice Cream was named by a boy who came to my show. He thought the dove's white feathers looked like vanilla ice cream. Getting tricky. Here are a few tricks you can try for yourself. 1. Iced water. You will need a sponge, a cup, ice cubes and a jug of water. Preparation. Stuff the sponge tightly to the bottom of the cup. 2. Place 2 ice cubes on top of the sponge. Performance. Pour a small amount of water into the cup. The sponge will soak it up. Turn the cup upside down. A major audience as 2 ice cubes fall out. Here is another trick that you can try. Helping hand. To help me with my shows, I have a brilliant apprentice called Scarlett. It's always busy being an apprentice. I make sure all the right props are on stage for each trick and hand them to Dane when he needs them. I also make sure the lights and music come on at the right times during the show. Amazing apprentice tips. Practice your part in the show until it's perfect. Organise the props so they are in the right order of the tricks. Wear a sparkly hat or brightly coloured pieces of clothing. Smile, be confident and look at the audience. Special effects. Special effects are a great way of creating an atmosphere. Music. I first play the piano and make a melody. Next, I write the words and record the song. Finally, I put it together with my tricks. Lights. If I'm doing a dramatic trick, I might use flashing lights. I use coloured lights too. Blue lights can make people feel cold. Red lights can make them feel hot. Video. I also project video images across the stage using my computer. These might be stars or patterns. Dry ice. I use dry ice to create clouds of white smoke inside my theatre. This adds a feeling of mystery. Planning a show. When it's time to plan a new show, Scarlett and I talk about our ideas. We make a list of tricks and I put them in order. We make sure there is a great opening and closing trick. Rehearsals. We rehearse each trick over and over again. The tricks need to be perfect before they can be performed to an audience. Showtime. At last, it's showtime. Scarlett and I have practiced hard. We have everything ready. Soon as the audience begins to arrive, everyone is excited. Battling nerves. It's natural to feel nervous before a show. Take a deep breath and smile. You will do brilliant. Music begins to play and the theatre begins to fill with mysterious smoke. Suddenly, the lights start flashing. The curtains are drawn back. I'm Dane's certificate, I say. Welcome to my show. I open the suitcase of props and reach inside. Which trick would you like to see first? At the end of every show, always take a bow. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl, you have the play button where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at our word searches again. So to get the word search, all you need to do is follow the link that I put on your Class Dojo. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page, and to enter the word search, you just need to enter your name and press start. Now that has loaded, it will come up with this page, and all you need to do is press the start button. You need to find all of these words down this side. And don't forget to send me your pictures of your lovely work. I look forward to seeing them. Enjoy and have fun.